ride the vacuum. We don't need to carry out the generator. The power hose, everything is there hooked up. We have a 100 gallon tank, right? So it makes your job so quick. You don't have where you put your spray bottle. Spray bottles goes here. So it's just a quick thing, How from beautiful, people have this beautiful life. Everything just look good. That's a professional way. Come to my road mobile detailing. We hook you up, give you a good price. Thank you.